Hey girl, so have you ever watched a wash and go video and was like, oh my gosh, I really want to try that wash and go technique, and then you try it and you're like, what? My hair looks horrible. What is this? They were lying. Nope, I know there is no way they use those products and use that technique to achieve that wash and go. And you just feel so deceived and like hurt because you feel like your favorite YouTuber was lying to you. The truth is, you probably were just using the wrong products for your hair type. And when I say hair type, I'm not talking about type 4, type 3, A, B, C, whatever. That's not what I'm talking about at all. I'm talking about your porosity, your strand size, and your density. Those three things play a huge role in how well your hair is going to turn out by using particular products. Now, if you don't know already, I am low porosity. I say this all the time. I have it in my description box. My channel is based on low porosity hair because I feel like those are the viewers who are going to relate to me the most because they're going to have the most in common with me. I also have high density and I have fine strands. So you may know, if you watched my last video, that I tried to follow a mini Marley wash and go, and it was horrible, okay? It was just a complete fail. My hair looked horrible. I literally couldn't even wear the style out. My hair took 2 days to dry. When it did dry, it was just flaky and ugly and dry. Like, my hair literally did not absorb any of the products. There was no moisture at all. And one of the key points that Mini Marley made in her video was that this particular wash and go provided her with so much moisture. So for my hair to just be dry and brittle and literally not have absorbed any of that product is just a sign that you really have to use products and techniques that work for your hair type. It's not going to absorb the products because of my porosity, and then my hair is going to be weighed down because of my strand size. So if you factor in those things, you know, before I even apply one product to my hair, this wash and go isn't going to be successful because it is the complete opposite of what my hair needs. My hair needs lightweight products for penetration, and it needs a gel that's actually going to work well for my hair type, which neither of those products did in the state that she used them. So what I am going to do is modify her wash and go to work for my hair. So you can modify any YouTuber's wash and go. You just have to know what your hair type is in terms of porosity and strand size, and know what type of products your hair prefers. And you know this by trial and error. You do wash and goes, you see how your hair responds. If you use thick, heavy butters and creams and your hair just eats it up and loves it, you know your hair likes those type of products. If you use milks and lotions and your hair eats it up and loves it, your hair probably prefers those. Now, if you use those 4 products and your hair always kind of doesn't look that good, like sometimes it looks good, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it's a hit or miss, it could be technique, or it could be your hair just cannot handle those type of products. So what I found that I had to do is use lightweight products. So I prefer leave-in conditioners that are in spray form. So I've used, leave-in conditioners that were sprays. I've used foaming mousse. I've used whatever I needed to use that my hair would respond well to. So Mini Marley used the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Styling Lotion, and I used this as well, and my hair didn't absorb it. So what I had to do was take a spray bottle and apply half of this lotion and half water to make this lotion more of a lightweight product. After I mixed it with the water and I sprayed it on my hair, I had to follow up with a gel that my hair prefers because, like I said, I don't like the Eco that she used in that video. I actually prefer the Eco Super Protein. My hair really responds well to this product. I could not, in no way, shape, or form, use this on my wet hair. No, my strand size wouldn't allow that, and I know that, so I wasn't going to do it. But what I can do is, after my hair dries, I can scrunch it in, either to break the crunch or to just add shine and lock in the moisture that it does have. By knowing my hair type, knowing what type of products my hair likes, I was easily able to modify her wash and go and turn it from a fail when I used it the way she did her hair to a success when I use these same products in a way that my hair prefers and likes. So we are going to do the same wash and go using the same products except the gel, but in a modified way to work for our low porosity hair. And like I said, you can use her wash and go, you can use any wash and go that you've seen by another YouTuber who possibly doesn't have low porosity hair, and use thicker products and just modify it to your hair type and make it work for you. So these techniques can be done with anyone's wash and go. So let's get started. And then I'm going to shake it out. Okay, so the final step would be to apply the Jane Carter Solution Nourish and Shine Restorative Butter. Now, I can't apply it during the wash and go process because it is too thick. So this would be applied after my hair has thoroughly dried to give me that shine and to lock in the moisture that I achieved with the products that I used during my wash and go. Okay, so now the butter has been applied. I modified her wash and go to work for my hair. As you can see, it is 100% success because I used the same products, but I used it in a way that works best for my hair type. If you want to modify your favorite YouTuber's wash and go to work for your hair, you can do it. You can do any wash and go technique. You can use any products you want. You just have to do it in a way that works best for you. So, as you can see, this is 100% success. this is what a wash and go for my hair type looks like, and the wash and go from that video is 100% felt, and that's what a wash and go using the wrong products looks like. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something new. Please like, comment, and subscribe to me. I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya.